What's up everyone and welcome back to another, I guess car vlog. I mean, today's kind of an exciting day, kind of not. First of all, you can see my hair is kind of growing out a little bit. And secondly, we're going to be changing the passenger side axle on the Camry. You know, that axle really doesn't look that great. You can see the boot is torn and everything. It's all greasy. Actually, because the grease is on the outside. So that's what we're going to be fixing today. It's been 1 week since I discovered this problem, and this car's just been sitting in this garage and collecting dust, like literally collecting dust, like you can see. It's all dust. Two reasons why I'm not going to be recording much of this. One, because I already made an entire video doing the driver's side axle. And two, my camera's gonna die. So last night, I put a bunch of rust lubricant, rust penetrant, pretty much everywhere, because there's a fuck ton of rust. And today we're gonna try to get the piece back there out. As you can see, you actually can't see. So this here is the retention clip. That's over there. I have a big old pry bar, or well, not really that big of a pry bar, and I'm gonna try to pry the remaining portion of the axle out of the transmission from that point, because pretty much like if I try to pry it from the transmission itself, that is impossible. There's nothing for the pry bar to hold on. To hold on to. So I have to hit it from here, which I don't think is a big deal. So I'm glad I used this, because I've already hit it several times with this and it still hasn't come out. So let's keep going. Is it actually raining outside? Oh shit, it is. I'm gonna go close the garage door. There's a fuck ton of mosquitoes here. So check that out, it's almost 11 fucking PM. Oh. Just barely. That's the crowbar that's going to pry the axle off. And this is an 8-pound sledgehammer. Let's see if I can actually do this. By the way, it's almost 2 AM. Okay, here we go. Yeah, it's been 2 days, and still no progress at all. Oh, this fuck fucking car is just great. I'm gonna start the car, and I'm gonna see if it does anything. If it maybe starting the car will help me in some magical way. So I'm gonna not kill myself, and I'm gonna open up the garage door here. Honestly, I don't know what to hope for. I don't really know what starting the car could possibly do. Besides just let the engine run, because it hasn't run in like 2 weeks. Alright, bringing up everything. Yeah, not sure what to hope for. I don't really expect it to do anything, and I'm gonna probably shut it off now because there's not very much transmission fluid in here right now. Oh fuck, this car smells so bad. Oh, I don't know what it is. Oh, Jesus Christ. That's not exaggerating either. This car genuinely just smells terrible when you start it. I don't know why it's like that. It might be a failing catalytic converter, in which case, I mean, fuck it. I'll just keep it the same. You know, or it could just be that that's just the way this car runs, or it's running excessively rich, and in which case, well, shit. Alright, everyone, so today hasn't really been, my best day. Pretty much, I removed the, driver's side axle, which is so easy. It was so easy to remove the driver's side axle. I just stuck a pry bar in there, just pop right out. And, the passenger side axle is still stuck in there, and it will not move anywhere. It will not come out of the transmission whatsoever, no matter what I try. I've hooked it up with a chain, or a fucking chain, to an 8-pound sledgehammer, and I really don't feel like going for a bigger sledgehammer, because the 8-pound sledgehammer was like $25. Or I've tried punching it out from the driver's side, sort of through the transmission. Didn't work. So hopefully you enjoyed watching my 3 weeks of failure. Hopefully we can get the car running and driving soon, but it doesn't look like that's gonna happen. The car's probably gonna stay in my garage probably the whole summer. And I don't know. I'm this close. I'm honestly this close to just dropping that transmission out of there and just swapping it. Because nothing I do is helping. Nothing I do at all is helping it go anywhere. And it's really frustrating. I've expressed a lot of anger. Obviously not at anyone, because it's not really anyone's fault. It's just pissed me off that I can't have, this is why we can't have nice things. Or, well, this is why I can't have nice things. Except for the Corolla. The Corolla has nothing wrong with it. Check engine lights off, after I after I reset the ECU. It sort of adjusted everything. So the Corolla is fine. There was sort of a rust issue. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should do, you'll know about this sort of rust problem that I did fix with Bondo. Not the best solution, but it's a temporary solution for now. Let me know what I should do in the comments. If you have anything, if you like can suggest literally anything, that would be fantastic. But anyway, that's my 3 weeks of absolute failure. Hopefully it's been worth the wait. It hasn't for me. It's frustrated me quite a lot. But yeah, leave a like if you've enjoyed. Leave a comment below if you have any inputs on what to do, or if I'm just fucked. Also, don't forget to subscribe. More content is coming very soon, and I am going to be uploading more frequently, and it's gonna be fun. It's also not, because the Camry is still it's still fucked. But you know what? Maybe after I upload this video, maybe it'll fix itself. Who knows? But until next time, peace. Also, make sure to subscribe. I am going to be posting much, fuck.